make her wife and lock in tight like we cut it. She said the way we fuck last night, how you just act like it's nothing. Never know you lusty, not the one I ain't budget. Starting to see the light and it feel like
that bit hard.
They can't find one to run cut. She said the way we I don't even try the best again, this bitch wanna fight. Said I on her way, she right.
What's up? You know what I'm saying? We just got done washing the whip, man. Yeah. What's up? That ain't right, bro. Hey, man, hell, man. We just got done washing the whip, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look at that bitch. This bitch glad, eh? This bitch pressure. I can see myself. Oh, yeah. That's what's going on. They got me and my boy Mike. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see Big Lil, though. Got that big greed down. Got that big greed down, eh? Woo. Then you got a big boy. Baby track out, eh? We put a tie sign on that bitch, eh? Yeah. But yeah, man, we finna get up out of here. We got a little meet to go to, man. You feel me? We're gonna get straight to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. What's up? Y'all boy ready? Who y'all think on what? What y'all think he on? He on that or that? They already know. Yeah. All right, let's fly. Alright, man, we back. We're in the whip right now on the way. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I can't roll my window down because I just walked my whip. But y'all see my boy back there. My boy back there, you feel me? But yeah, car crew, man. We're finna go to the little cars and coffee. But I just got lost, boy. Nah, there it is. I just got lost real quick. No cap. I don't know how I did that. My man, I don't know. My brain just got fried just then. Hold on. Try to get right. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Morning time. Washing the car. 50-degree weather. Feel me? Dang, somebody called loud. Yeah, just a smooth little POV right there. Smooth little POV right now. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much. I'm just showing y'all a little snippet from now until, you feel me, we get to the meat, you know what I'm saying? Paul, call me. But yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all boy back on, you know what I'm saying, momentarily. Look like dang, car crew, I forgot, cause the record I was having that bitch pop flame, bro. I was revving that bitch. Damn. Good boy, come with me. Oh, God. I forgot, but y'all see we made it though, man. You feel me? Get y'all boys a little smooth little content, man. Something slight. I see my boy over there. You feel me? Clean. My boy over there clean. You feel me? My hat done got wet. Had dropped that bit. You know what you call it? But yeah, man. Yeah. We finna, you feel me? I had to read my phone. We finna go out here, you feel me, get right. You know what I am? See what's going on. Got a little beamer. Action going on. Oh, that boy Pete the feet, huh? Yeah, that boy don't know nobody did. Look at the print, nigga. Look at the print, nigga.
Are these lights factory?
Oh, the lights?
Around?
Oh, no, I put those on there.
You put those on there.
Yeah.
I saw them on that car over there.
Yeah, yeah. The little snorkel lights.
Yeah, it looks good.
Appreciate it, man. Trying to do a little something with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Good, man.
Appreciate that. And that little straight up.
Have you added to the quarter mile?
I did a little like stuff in the street, but not on the track. Ain't really doing too much. Yeah, I got to see what they're talking about now, though.
Okay.
Yeah, man. What? Just follow that, cuz.
I was gonna say, I ain't even know what the fuck.
You ain't like to do it?
No, I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah.
Like, sometimes they'll do it, but sometimes
Yeah, like, it really, nah, yeah, it do, but it's just like, you can't hit that bit hard. You gotta like slightly go past 4K and slightly go past 4K.
At first, I didn't know that was us doing that shit. I was like, hold on.
That cat so hard. Let me drive that bit. Not just playing. But yeah, but I wasn't even recording when I was doing that coming out. I forgot. I'm in that bitch. Look at that bit. That C8. But yeah, no. Well, yeah, that bit total. Damn, did her what? Did her know what? Damn. That bit hard. That bit hard. That bit hard. I didn't know she had that. That bit tough. Hey, I gotta get some money, bro. I don't know, man. I gotta get some money. I feel broke. Well, see, I can pop. I can't do that. I can pop, though. Yeah. Oh, hit this buddy right here. That we met, where he at? Yeah, y'all see we got the cat, man. It don't went, the degrees don't went up though. Nah. Yeah. What's up, man? What's going on with you? I ain't gonna lie, I don't know who the hell that is. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you should seen the white boy that walking by the shoe like. But I ain't gonna lie, I didn't think he was gonna keep popping all. I might as well keep that bitch rolling.
Yeah, you caught that bitch.
Yeah. The man himself, the myth, the legend. Whoa. What's going on, man? What's going on with you? I got the lenses out.
Yeah.
Real deal lenses. Yeah. That's all slight. Damn. Hold on, but don't run. Run me up. Oh, you got a little flame on there? Okay, all right. It'd be hard. Cow hood on the 250. See, this what I need. Something tall.
Yeah.
What truck this is? You? Damn, man. I'm about to change his oil just like this. Oh, damn, my hat fall off. Yeah. It be hard. Look at that bitch. Bit change, bit gold the whole way through. It be hard.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got this bitch running.
It be hard. That be tough. That be hard. Yes, up. What's going on, man? This the man right here that took all the night picture, y'all, boy. Took the night picture. Oh, yeah, we gotta get something done, man. For sure. Yeah.
Get some video done, rolling video.
Yeah, fat, yeah.
I still on those POV drives.
Oh, yeah. Fat. POV drive nice. I seen what you did with Jacoby with the blue Mustang at night. I'm gonna try to do something at nighttime, like right before it get dark.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, that'd be tough. Had the lights on, that'd be hard. Yes, sir, boy. Where you parked at?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, I'm finna go over there. They was like, Nah, that was him, bro. That was him, bro. You know what's so crazy? That bitch, they ain't even allowed it. That would make it so crazy. They ain't even allowed it.
Underground, what is that?
No, you do it yourself, but they just send you all the stuff to do it with. Like you put the PCM in and use your phone.
I got to clean on mine, but I want to clean it one more time.
Yeah. Made that bit wheel hot. That boy got the shaker out there, bitch. It's hard. Hey, that bit hard. It's super. Super hard, boy. That bit hard too. Hey, I should have came through this bit popping. I ain't even think about coming around here. That bit tough. I see what's going on. Something slight. What's up? What's up, boy? Why you guys still got the AirPod in your ear?
Gotta listen to music, bro.
That man don't listen to music and shit. That bit hard. Yeah, he trying to snitch on her. Yeah, he trying to snitch on her, bro. He trying to snitch on her. Got a little truck. Oh, yeah. And we got this bit right here. How fast y'all think this is right here?
Hey, niggas like, damn, what the fuck is that, AJ?
No, that was his ass.
That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. I ain't did nothing, bro. He lying.
You was driving the bit.
He lying. I'll drive my own shit. Too much bread for me, boy. Dang, he ain't waiting no time. He did say he was gonna do it. He ain't waiting no time, boy. And he got a 3.8. He need a small one though, but. Dang. I know Cub making like, how much power y'all think he making? I know he making about like 7. He gotta be making 7. If he ain't making 7, but I ain't right. Oh, he right there. I'm telling him, big ass motor. What? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that is. I wanted that Brad out racing and beat his ass. It be hit so crazy. It probably is. It might be. It probably is, but yeah, it be here. Dang, boy. I like Mach 1 though. I like these too. I like Mach 1 car crew. I know y'all be on my head. I rock with the Mach 1, man. Look at that bitch. Man. Look at the difference. Which one y'all going with? I mean, of course we'll go with this JK got the supercharger, but off of looks, you feel me? Man. Then you got the Viper.
Don't Ford do it they sell.
What? Talking about that?
Yeah,
they can, yeah, they can.
Ain't it warranty still?
Yeah, they say even with our car, like if you go like bolt on, you can take that bitch to the dealership and let them do it. They won't take it out of your warranty because they did it.
Okay.
When you let somebody else do it and you go like all that other done there.
Direct connection with all that shit, like the package.
Yeah. Now bolt on ain't warranty or warranty. Like when you go cam, lifters, stuff like that. Like that one you like, you feel me? Yeah, but when you doing bolt on like a supercharger bolt on.
I ain't know they got 2 intakes.
Yeah, they come like that, yeah. Yeah, they like that without the
They go mad with a cat.
Yeah, there you go. Mr. What's up, bro? What's going on with you? Yeah, man. Out there bitch chilling. That bitch hard though. Yeah, like everybody got a new tag. What's going on? It must be tax season. Yeah. They probably capping it. They don't want nobody to know they stay at. Yeah. Yeah, you got the right memo then. That bitch hard. That bitch clean, boy. Yeah, that wing, yeah, you can eat on that bitch. But yeah, Sam Black, that's how I want to wrap my car. That Sam Black look good in person.
We should take this drawing.
Yeah. I'm tired of you, boy. 445? Damn. But yeah, like Sam Black, that's how, see now I know what it look like in person. Olivia look good, Sam Black, but fast. Probably, just see how it come out. Save money. I don't feel like paying nobody $5 to do this. Yeah, the whole thing, yeah. And if I pull it off, yeah. And that carbon fiber on the top. I'm talking about right here. Yeah, I see the wing. I saw that. That'd be hard. But yeah, Red that bit. Well, yeah, that bitch clean. Excuse me. That bitch clean. That car crew, I see what's going on. Man. That's what we got a Mini Coupe GP. We got the Scat. Yeah, man. Yeah. Pack that bitch, eh? That bitch got a 2019. Big Taz say, what did I say? Korean. Look at that man, all in the way. Forward.
That's like my new favorite side.
But see, now I ain't gonna lie, I rock with these. Everybody say I don't like Mustang. I like the fat one. They green so tough. Yeah, I ain't seen it in person. Yeah, the GT500 go crazy. It's just crazy. They put the little knob in there, be like an F-150. Ooh, yeah. It be hard. Which one you think faster, him or Dark Horse? I don't know. We gotta see. I want to try that. That might be hard. But he a 10-speed though.
Yeah,
So it's like.
I'm gonna say.
But this one like dialed in like perfect.
If he can drive, maybe.
Yeah, but he gotta stop. He gotta stop pulling though, bro. That one. How do you guys feel? What the hell you doing?
No, hell no. I stepped over.
Look at him, man.
No, I stepped over. I stepped over.
His shooter dug a hole in the ground.
Hell no.
Damn, look at them. They're the same color. They the same color of the ground. He'll put that whole toe in that bitch. Super hard though. It's super tough. No cap. That'd be hard. Yeah, car crew, you know what I'm saying? Some little slight. Ain't nothing too crazy. Dang.
It's come here.
It's a lot lower than the Lexus, bro.
It definitely did.
Can't even put $1 in that bitch. Let me see. I got $1 in my pocket. That real deal fit me right there. Man.
New tire.
No bad, bro. No bad.
It looked like you on bad, so there's no bad. You just ride like this? Damn. It is. That's all crazy. Cuz got a munch. Dang, he got the BMW munch. That's hard. Damn. He basically saying BMW like he eating the hoes. like he killing the hoes. That is hard. I didn't get a Ford one like that and put munch on that bitch. Damn, don't hit that bitch. Got a big ass chin strip. That's what I was talking about, like half of the windshield. Red that bitch. You can do a parade on the back of his. You can do a parade on the back of his car. Oh, hell no. Do that bitch. That bitch loud as hell. Damn, he ain't gonna do it. I thought he was gonna do it. You know that bitch loud, boy. That bitch loud as fuck. Bro, that bitch loud as hell. The crazy thing about Burt Cobra, it get louder. That was like an easy one. That bitch get louder. I just can't be behind that bitch. I can stand over here. Damn, bro. We might have to go hitters. That's on fire. They got 2 hatchbacks. BMW right there. Damn! God damn! 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 God damn! Damn! That be hard. What's up? Yeah. This bitch here clean. I ain't even no big super fan. This bitch hard. Yeah, car crew, man. You know what I'm saying? Maybe about to wind down. I forgot to record when I was revving the hell out of my car.
Fucking A.
That bitch here crazy. Well, I think it's a 280. M2? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know it's an M2 though. What M2 out there, bitch? But yeah, y'all, oh yeah. Dang, it was a money line there, ain't it? Some money line right here, ain't it? Shit, I don't even like Mero for real. No, it ain't. Yeah, it said without the quad tip. That's different. It said without the quad tip, different. Uh-huh. Cari, give me a little mild can like this. It been hard though. I do like 500. Oh, there you go, that lie there. Cari, you gonna get that bit of me out one time, you know what I mean? Get that bit to get right, you know what I mean? Yeah. That bit hard.
Hi.
Okay.
That bit hard. That bit tough. That hair raising so clean. That hair raising so clean, bro. We about to get up out of here, Cari crew. Oh yeah. But I'm gonna record. Leaving. Finally this time. But I got a TRX. I got a TRX out there, bitch. Damn. But I watched this lady behind me, cause her face, she said, shit. But hey. Oh man, bro, that is funny. Cuz that's so funny, bro. This lady, bro, that's just beautiful. Bro, that's just so funny, bro. That lady swerved and said, damn, was I recording, bro? That lady right back there, bro. Oh, that's funny. See my boy Mike right here, though, you feel me? Why you put that bit in park? You finna red that bit? The hell, nigga just got out the wheel. No, they ain't. But yeah, But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Slight little mix them up, you feel me? Vlog, /POV, /comedy, you feel me? Whatever like that. Go with my partner. Damn, I'm gonna try to do that. I don't know what the hell Mike doing. I don't know, Mike, he got out of the car looking at something. Nigga must have lost his phone. Nigga hit that bitch so hard, phone went under the seat. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, we finna, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy, you feel me? Get your boy to 20K the quick way. We almost at 16K. We almost at 16K. You know what I'm saying? That car right here so loud, bro. But yeah, man. I've been trying to end the video, but yeah, man, if I do a POV with these boys, it's gonna be after this video, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. All that good stuff, man. And like I say for my religion for, man, keep God first. Oh my Lord. Keep him in the mix, man. Keep him first, stay prayed up, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. I'm driving with no hand, by the way. And yeah, like I also said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.